What's going on, guys? You all are in for a treat today. So, it's actually probably going to be a two-part video. First half of the day, I'm going to be spending, since I haven't been out to the Knoxville Zoo since 2008, and that was with my brother, and actually been inside and seen what all they got going on. I am here, you can't really see it, it's over there, here today, just checking it out and see what's going on, and see where I'm going to be working, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, and take you on a little tour, I guess, of the zoo, because anytime that I'm able to like film some things about the zoo or anything else like that, I'm going to be doing it. So I know this first part's not really a herping video, but you guys better get used to a lot of footage of the zoo and where I'm going to be working, because yeah, it's going to be awesome. Alright, let's start over here with Black Bear Falls. Wonder what's going to be in there. This hasn't changed since I was here back in 2008, but check it out. See what's going on with it. Oh, there you go. Oh, wow.
Sleeping in the oh, look. Oh, there's one up there. It's
There's one there. And then there's one on the way over here.
Oh, there's one right there. There's one up here too.
Oh, there's one right there. Good lord.
Big tree right there.
It's pretty sweet.
You can see his blood.
Yeah, I did too.
Just doing a little talk about this owl.
He's on here. Now he'll put his wings out, but he's never gone away.
So cool.
I have one question for you. Can an owl turn his head all the way around? No. Very good, no. They cannot. They do if they're close. But he can go about 270 degrees each way.
Looks like up here we got a little red panda sleeping. There's a door open. So the gibbons, which I'll show you guys what that looks like, right over there. See them moving around? They built this whole thing for them, so they have these mesh little things that they can just chill around and go check everybody out, and it goes all throughout. I mean, their range here is ridiculous. I want to go hang out with that dude. He looks cool. He looks like he'd be fun to hang out with. He's just chilling. Oh. He seems to like that side. I'm going to try to go over there, see him a little bit better. They have all that space down there, loops up to here. There he is. And then it goes back over into that thing, and then they have this whole big area right here they can just chill out in. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. That is too cool. That's awesome that they have this mesh thing. Hello. He's like, dude. Oh, wow. I was just over there. And now he's gonna go over there. I guess he doesn't like me. Maybe he doesn't like being on film. He's camera shy. He's looking at something. Hey dude, what are you doing? He's checking out something. He's curious about something. I don't know what. That is ridiculous. What are you looking at? You see a friend? You see your buddy? What is he checking it out? Where are you going? He doesn't know. He doesn't know where he's going. Wow. And now he's going in the little room to check. Too cool. I didn't notice there was another one that was just chilling right here. Oh, he's coming back out. He's coming back out, hang out with his buddy, I guess. That's too cool. I could watch this dude all day. What's he doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? You're going back that way. He sees something he likes over there. He's trying to figure it out. What are you doing? River otters. You know these guys are going to be entertaining. Let's see. I hear them. Where are they at? Oh, there. Let's see if we can get a better view. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Look at that. He's eating something. That's too cool. Way too cool. Hey, little dude. Hey, little dude. What are you doing over there, huh? What are you doing? Oh, he's eating his fish because they got a bunch of fish down there. Okay, that makes sense. Uh-oh. We're getting to the good stuff. We're getting to the good stuff. You guys ready? I'm pumped. So we have an iguana right here. And then right here, we have a Gila monster. Which is pretty cool. You can see his tail back there.
Oh my god, this one's a humongous one in the corner.
Yep.
We got a little Chinese alligator. Pretty cool. He's got a pretty sweet looking habitat. For the most part. He's just over there warming up. I'm so pumped for that. Why did I not get an ant on me? And see what's cool is I'm gonna be working here. Hopefully I get the inside scoop. Be able to tell you guys about what they're getting ready to do. I know they're redoing and rebuilding a whole big reptile area because they need to. But that's gonna be too cool. That's gonna be so cool. I'm pumped. I wonder what all it's gonna be. So we got a 4-eyed turtle right here, but I'm not seeing any glasses on him. Like, I don't know. You guys tell me if I'm wrong. Are you gonna jump in? Are you gonna jump in, buddy? Are you gonna jump in? Oh, I think he's gonna do it. I think he's gonna do it. Or he's like, how the hell did I get up here? You gonna do something? No? Alright. There you go, Bo. We need to get an emerald tree boa. God, they really do need a better setup for this. You can't even see him. He's in there though. Aruba Island rattlesnake.
Aruba Island rattlesnake. I mean, when they get worked at the...
You want some more, buddy?
Let's go see something else. I'm scared.
They're all confined.
Of course he's staring at me. God, look at this patterns though. This looks amazing.
I don't think he's in there.
Super cool. We're just gonna go back to sleep. Hey Rob, I found you an Alterna. I really don't know what the fuss is all about. I mean, it's just, you know, it's right here. I don't know why you guys can't find them. I found it. I didn't even try. I didn't even know they had them here. I lucked out and this Alterna right there. What do you know? Those of you who don't know, Alterna is a gray banded king snake. A species that people in West Texas have a hard time trying to find. Just message Rob, Smet Logic. Yeah, he'll tell you all about it. But yeah, there's one for you, buddy. And a hog right here. I could literally reach down and touch him. He's that close. He's just napping away. Right there. That's probably not a good smell though, buddy. You guys can't see it, but he's got his nose right next to his poop. I don't know, maybe you're into that. I don't know. Not judging you for it. It's different. Oh, there's birds over here. Oh my goodness.
You're an ass.
That's pretty crazy. Oh wow. They're just chilling. There's a beaver. Doing what a beaver does. Going into his little dam area. That was quick. Wow. A Malayan tiger. She's coming right. Hey. Hey. You just pacing around? Wow. That's crazy. Huh. She's making a round. Oh, okay, there she goes. Oh well. Oh, wow. This is all for the Malayan tiger. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hoping he's gonna come up here. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. I want to play with them. So bad. There's only 2 of them in here. Where the rest are? I think these are the, what kind are these? I don't know. It doesn't say. It's weird.
So he looks kind of like a baby that way. Yeah. He's actually an adult. This is as big as the screech owls get. And you can probably tell he's only got one eye. So he actually was injured in the wild and came to us, and that eye could not be saved. It had to be removed. So for that reason, he's one of our permanent residents and can't be released back into the wild. So he just comes.
Look at that dude, he's just passed out. I guess these turtles are sleeping too. They have their heads to the side, which is really weird. I don't know what kind they are. It doesn't say. Hey buddy. That is the prettiest lizard in the entire world. Hey dude. Where are you going? Not a fan of the camera. Got it. Retake. So, Bo, we need a cage like this. And then we can get articulated python. Yeah, I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Getting all this girl. It's huge.
Can I get money? Oh, I see something.
What are you doing, girl? Or boy? I don't know. Wow. That's huge. Of course we have to see the zebras. For a second I really thought that was a real zebra, just chilling. Ah, these things are awesome. Electric fence, oh shit.
The babies
Oh, you're good.
What are they doing? These little puppies? Oh, they're having a meeting. This is cool. This is awesome. Look at all this.
Yeah, what's the rules? It shows it all.
That's how you look at it.
Oh, there's one little one with all the other big ones.
You're good.
These are all picking on the one little one.
No, these two are picking on each other. That's so cool. They're running into it, I think.
Just see this one. They're cute. I'll take five.
Look at it. Look at that.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this little trip tour through the zoo. Super pumped I get to work here. There's gonna be plenty more videos to come. Hopefully some behind the scenes stuff. I don't know. I'll see what they let me get away with. But anyway, I'm gonna get my car and go over to Imes and do a bit of herping. But that's gonna be tomorrow's video for you guys. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow.